Well, hello. Good to see you. My name is Anwar Knight, and I just joined the broadcast and recording team. My unofficial title is storyteller. I've been reporting in newsrooms for decades, and I'm really excited to start telling stories not only about this iconic building, but more importantly, the people inside it, you. So if you see us around, and that includes my videographer, Ben, yes, be sure to say hi, and we look forward to connecting soon as we celebrate 50 incredible years. That is, once I figure out how to get back to the office. I think it's this way, Ben.
Anwar, where are you going? Broadcast and recording services is not in the basement. My name is Amanda Capito, and I'm the other OLA reporter you'll be seeing around. My background is in radio journalism and digital strategy. We want to make sure all of the incredible stories about the Assembly make it from here to here. Why? Because we want people to visit the website, tour the building, and tune into our parliamentary channel. It's truly embodying our mission to bridge tradition and innovation. So keep an eye out for me, Anwar, and our videographers, Ben and Matt. See you around.